This week you kind of have a busy week, so we're kind of trimming down what we're doing in writing and just having you reflect upon your experiences in this crazy year here at Eastgate. So we're asking that for this week, you are going to have your main assignment on Monday. And because of in-person learning, we are map testing on Tuesday and Thursday. Your final assignment is not due until Friday. So we have one whole week this week for you to complete your assignment. All right, so our learning goal is I can reflect upon experiences and write about them in a manner that is interesting for my audience. So that's making sure that you really dig into your memory bank and choose experiences and memories that are meaningful and that you can really describe it using all the strategies that we have practiced this year. Remember our I-AD, okay? So you are going to be choosing a specific page to make like a 6th grade end of the year Eastgate yearbook. You have 5 choices. Once you choose one, you're going to complete that page fully. You're going to reread and edit. Step 4, you're going to check your punctuation, your spelling, and your capitalization. Screenshot, submit that to Canvas, and you're also going to share on your class's Padlet. So let's look at some of these choices. So this one is called like my doodle page or all about me kind of page. This one's pretty fun. So I know some of you are very savvy with Sketchbook, so you might be taking this image, importing it into Sketchbook, and if you're not sure how to do that, I bet your friends can really help with that. So you can take this picture, and the same steps are right here on the left side to remind you of those expectations. And here's also an example of what we're really looking for in your work. This isn't going to be a real quick 5 minutes and I'm done. It's going to be something where you really put some time into it because it's a memory and it matters. All right, so choice 1 is that all about me page. Choice 2 is A to Z about me. And again, I have that example here for you of what we're expecting. Choice 3 is going to be my dreams for next year. This year was so crazy with COVID. I thought this would be a great one for you to really think about, okay, so we're getting vaccinations. People are kind of getting over this COVID thing. We're figuring this out as a nation, as a world. What do you think will be going on next year? What's your dream and your hope for 7th grade? And let's see, choice number 4 is my teacher. Write a letter to your teacher telling him or her about a favorite activity or something from this year. It's just a moment to thank a teacher. You know, we've worked hard with you guys. We enjoy our work with you. So hopefully you can share that same desire and love of learning here with us. And then choice 5 is a funny memory. These are easy peasy mac and cheesy. Anything that's been funny that has happened this year, we've had a lot of weird things. I mean, we're walking around wearing masks. We're having to smize with our eyes. Like, it's been a crazy year. So nonetheless, I hope that you really enjoy choosing one of these activities and really completing it and putting your whole heart into it. Remember, you only have to do one, and it is due by Friday, so you have all week to do this. When you are finished, you're going to screenshot your completed page. Do not upload the whole PDF. Just do your page. And then you're going to submit on Canvas. And finally, you're going to share on your class's Padlet. You're going to post your name, you're going to upload your picture, and write a short description of why did you choose that particular page to complete. And so when you are done, you're going to have these links to take you to the different Padlets so that you can share with your classmates. So I have Miss Sargent's up. So here's what it'll look like. All those pages are in their own columns and categories. That way you can look and see how other people did that same page. You can give some compliments and just kind of talk about those things. All right. So again, your must do is screenshot, upload to Canvas, post on Padlet, really dig into your memory banks, and make it great so an audience would enjoy your memory book. Enjoy!